A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. They can modify the meaning of a base word in various ways, such as negating it, showing direction, frequency, or intensity. Prefixes are essential in English grammar because they expand vocabulary, helping speakers and writers convey more precise meanings. Prefixes change the meaning of a word entirely, allowing us to express a wide variety of ideas and concepts using the same base words. They help expand our vocabulary, clarify nuances in meaning, and make communication easier by conveying exact meanings with fewer words. Let's explore some common prefixes in English along with their meanings and examples. Prefixes like un, re, pre, dis, and mis are frequently used to modify words and convey different meanings. Here are more examples of common prefixes. In, sub, inter, over, and ex. Each prefix has a specific meaning and can be used to create new words that expand our vocabulary. Understanding the meaning of prefixes is crucial for using them correctly. Some prefixes cause spelling changes, affect the form of the word, and can create double negatives if used incorrectly. Knowing these rules helps in mastering prefixes. For Year 6 UK SATs, students are tested on their understanding of prefixes as part of the spelling, punctuation, and grammar section. Knowing common prefixes can help students expand their vocabulary and understanding of word meanings. The prefix un means not or opposite of. Here are some example words: unhappy, unkind, unclear, uncertain, unusual, undue, untidy, unlikely, and unbelievable. The prefix re means again or back. Example words include redo, rewrite, revisit, rearrange, return, replace, rebuild, and reopen. The prefix pre means before. Example words include preview, preheat, preorder, prepare, prepay, prehistoric, prevent, and preview. The prefix dis means not or opposite of. Example words include disagree, disconnect, dislike, disappear, displace, disapprove, discomfort, and dishonest. The prefix mis means wrong or badly. Example words include misunderstand, misplace, misbehave, misinterpret, misspell, mislead, misfortune, and mischief. The prefix in or I am means not or into. Example words include incomplete, impossible, invisible, inactive, immature, imperfect, immobile, and immense. The prefix sub means under or below. Example words include submarine, subway, substandard, subdue, subheading, submerge, subculture, and subtraction. The prefix inter means between or among. Example words include international, interactive, internet, intervene, interview, intermission, and interfere. The prefix over means excessive or above. Example words include overeat, overlook, overwork, overcome, overcharge, overestimate, overpower, and overdo. The prefix ex means out or away. Example words include exit, exhale, exclude, examine, extract, exaggerate, ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, and exceed. The prefix under means beneath or insufficient. Example words include underestimate, undermine, undervalue, undergo, undress, underfed, undertake, and underground. The prefix auto means self. Example words include autograph, automobile, automatic, autonomy, and autobiography. The prefix hyper means over or excessive. Example words include hyperactive, hyperbole, hypersensitive, and hypertension. The prefix anti means against or opposed to. Example words include antibiotic, antidote, antisocial, antagonist, antique, and antifreeze. The prefix non means not or without. Example words include non-stop, nonsense, non-fiction, non-existent, non-profit, and non-traditional. The prefix en means cause to or make. Example words include enable, encourage, enlarge, enlighten, enclose, enrich. The prefix trans means across or beyond. Example words include transport, transatlantic, translate, transparent, transaction, and transform. Let's start with the prefix super, which means above or beyond. Examples include Superman, superstar, and supernatural. Next, we have a flat, meaning away or from, as seen in words like absent, abnormal, and abduct. Moving on, we have the prefix company, meaning together or with. This can be found in words such as cooperate, coordinate, and coexist. Now, let's explore more advanced prefixes. Bi means two, as in bicycle and bilingual. Tri means three, found in words like triangle and trio. Next, we have quad, meaning four, seen in quadrilateral and quadruple. Semi means half or partially, as in semicircle and semifinal. The prefix neo means new or recent, found in neonatal and neoclassical. Anti means against or opposing, as seen in antisocial and antivirus. Pro means for or forward, as in promote and progress. De means reverse or remove, found in deactivate and defrost. The prefix en means cause to or make, seen in encourage and enlighten. Im means not or into, as in impossible and imperfect. Over means excessive or above, found in overestimate and overwork. Under means beneath or below, as seen in undermine and underestimate. The prefix mis means wrong or badly, seen in misunderstand and misplace. Out means beyond or exceeding, found in outperform and outdo. Re means again or back, as in return and reapply. Under means beneath or insufficient, seen in undervalue and undermine. The prefix super means above or beyond, found in Superman and Superstar. Post means after or following, as in post-war and postpone. Trans means across or beyond, seen in transport and transition. Company means with or together, found in cooperate and coordinate. The prefix a-flat means away or from, as in absence and abnormal. Circum means around, found in circumference and circumvent. Semi means half or partially, seen in semicircle and semifinal. Uni means one, found in unicycle and uniform. The prefix hemi means half, as in hemisphere and hemiplegic. Mono means one or single, found in monologue and monotone. Neo means new or recent, seen in neologism and neonatal. Tri means three, found in triangle and tricycle. The prefix quad means four, as in quadrant and quadrilateral. Auto means self or same, found in autograph and automatic. Ex means out or former, seen in exit and examine. Ill means not or against, found in illegal and illogical. The prefix im means not, as in impossible and imperfect. Anti means against, found in antagonist and antibiotic. Understanding prefixes is crucial for expanding vocabulary, aiding in spelling, improving comprehension, and enhancing writing. The more prefixes students know, the better they can understand and create words. To practice prefixes, make a list of them and their meanings, use them in sentences, create flashcards, and test yourself with quizzes and games. For the Year 6 SATs, knowing common prefixes will improve spelling, grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. Practice regularly with prefix-based words to prepare effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.